Good afternoon, ladies and disappointments. If you don't know me, my name is Alya, so hopefully we just rectified that situation. And today's video is sponsored by my hate comments. I will be creating a Euphoria-inspired makeup look. If you don't know what Euphoria is, it's a really great TV series that just came out recently. Check it out. So that being said, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on another hate comment. And let's get right on into this video. I'm really excited because I haven't really been able to wear any eye makeup since I got LASIK eye surgery. They said to wait about 2 weeks and I waited 3 just to be safe. I'm not gonna really go into detail what I'm doing with my makeup. If you guys want to see more in-depth tutorial, I will link one up above. So the very first comment here is by Freddy3646 and he says, "I love bones." So yeah, a majority of the comments that I get are weight-related comments, which is fine. It doesn't matter if you're skinny or fat or whatever you are, you're gonna get hate. Even if you have the perfect body, people are going to tell you that it's fake. Take it with a grain of salt. Maybe a tequila shot too. Really, it's not that big of a deal. Sorry if I'm looking down so much, that's kind of just the direction my life's heading. Just kidding, that's where my mirror is. Am I pretty enough yet where everyone's gonna tell me how great I am? No. Franny Camper says, "Don't compare your body to others if you love it so much." Light Bright says, "If you want your cheekbones defined, you should lower your body fat percentage rather than manipulate your face with shadows. Also, this isn't going to do anything if you have bad bone structure, aka a mouth breather." That's awkward. Don't worry, I am saving literally the best comment for last because it is a 3-paragraph long comment and it'll probably get me demonetized. Remember guys, the most important step in doing your makeup is manipulating your bone structure. Us mouth breathers need a snatched jawline too. There, it almost looks like I've been breathing normally through my nose my whole life. So Hey Honey says, "You have anorexia. I see it. You're ugly. No offense, but you." Oh, because you said no offense, it was fine. I'm not offended. Thanks, girl. Snatched waistline made possible by IBS. Just kidding, I don't have IBS, but I definitely have like a really sensitive digestive system where it goes in one end and it comes right out the other end. Doesn't matter what it is. My metabolism be like, "Is that food? Oh hell no, I'm calling the police." And then next thing you know, look at that glow, sis. Just broke a lamp because nobody shines brighter than me. Diver Dave says, "Face the cruel facts. Your A-cups would look best in a string bikini or go topless. Perhaps hit a tanning salon or the beach for a few weeks before your next swimsuit haul because most swimsuits don't look best on pasty white skin." First of all, Diver Dave, that's double A cup to you. Secondly, you obviously don't know me very well. I go topless all the time. Just ask the men in the bars. Shocked and confused that he doesn't think that I'm tan. I mean, I put on at least 2 coats of self-tanner every Thursday afternoon. I guess I'll have to up it to 3. Whatever, it's fine. Not every man appreciates a porcelain goddess. Beza says, "Always like it's too big. You don't have big boobs or a big butt. You just need to get a smaller size. Duh, the bikinis were good." Thank you. Those were in the smallest sizes. So Euphoria is popular for doing the rhinestones on the eyes. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been doing that lately, mostly because I couldn't put real eye makeup on because, like I said, LASIK eye surgery. So to get the look started, we're not here for that. We're here for the tea on the hate. The hate tea, if you will. Green Lantern 129 says, "Was symbolizing 2 with your fingers at the beginning of the video really necessary? Somebody come get him. He's hashtag triggered." Spicy Luna Spicy Lil Luna says, are you okay? I think you should put on some more weight. Seriously, you don't look physically well. I feel so flattered that so many people are concerned about my health. You guys, you are so good to me. Nita Sauda? Comment, girl, let me know how to say your name right. Girl, you need to eat something. Heart. All right, guys, that's it. I'm officially retiring to the underworld. Want to know why? Of course you do. God said, if boobs offend you, look away. What boobs? It's like me putting on a bra. Damn, Jesus, you don't gotta come for me like that. God just roasted my ass like it was fucking Thanksgiving dinner. And he forget that he's the one who created me. Damn, if you don't like little boobs, then maybe you should have given me some bigger ones. Ever thought of that, Jesus? Could you imagine? Let me just paint a picture for you really quick, Bob Ross style. It's your time. You pass peacefully away in your sleep of old age, and you immediately arrive at the gates, the pearly white gates of heaven, and God comes to let you in. And you know what he says? Bitch, where the fuck are your tits? And you're like, God damn it, thought all these years he forgot. Nope, God never forgets. Diana Ferrer says, you should gain some weight to develop skin and then get breast implants. As if I don't know I have small boobs. My shirts are so low cut, they pretty much show my ovaries. No way. I don't have double Ds? Ugh, how dare you. That's a new one though. Get fat just to get skin to get breast implants. Not sure how I feel about that. Wouldn't recommend to a friend. 1-star review. Dirt Coffee says, I see it. Comments were disabled on your last video. I could probably guess why, as everyone believes your hair isn't naturally curly. Your hair when wet is at most wavy, but not curly. No, it's definitely curly. So hopefully I didn't just trigger Green Lantern 129. Time to throw on some face jewels, and by throw on, I mean very carefully, so as not to ruin everything on my face. And they're actually not face jewels, they're little like nail jewels that I got from Primark for super cheap. All right, so the eyes are complete. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. And now I'm just going to do my hair and throw in some jewelry, and I will be right back. And I do have one last comment to read off for you. It is kind of like the grand finale of all comments. So without further ado, drum roll please. Viking Mac, shout out to you for your 3-paragraph comment. Get some popcorn, get some tea, put on your face mask, whiten your teeth. This is the time to do it. I think you smaller chested chicks know that hot guys like me go for bigger chested women. It's not that you don't have a livestock full of beta males kissing your ass, telling you that they love smaller racks. Tell me more, Viking Mac. Oh, you were going to? Okay, continue. You still feel insecure, no matter what they, small-chested chicks, say. They instinctively know deep down they are inferior to chicks with bigger tits. For me personally, I'm a tall, 6'2", fit bad boy with a big Just had to throw that one in there, didn't ya? I feel that I need and deserve at least a C cup up to a double D. I have no problem just saying how it truly f***ing is. If you were given the choice between an average dude with an average 5 or a hot guy with an 8-inch, would you settle for the lesser? I rest my case on that. I guess the only good thing about chicks with smaller is they're always extremely submissive. Never met one or been with one who had a dominant personality type. And they make the perfect BDSM submissive. Well, alright. If I got into a long-term situation, I'd never settle for less than a C cup, unless she made extra efforts to show me she could compete in many other ways. No different than a dude with a has to make more of an effort to please his girl in any other ways to compensate for his lacks. Fortunately, smaller chested women always do try harder, especially in the sack. This is why it's fun being a hot alpha, to exploit those insecurities. Well, aren't you a peach? I still prefer bigger tits, but sometimes it's hard to know what I'm in the mood for. But face the facts. Size does matter a lot. Here's a personal story of mine when a small redheaded chick with small messaged me on a dating site. She was initially angry that I straight up said I wasn't excited or turned on by smaller chested women. Then she became curious, and then ... Well, you can read the rest for yourself below. And he left a link to his blog. I don't even know what to say to that. I'm currently experiencing life at 15 what the per hour right now. I was like, shit, you know, I'm finally making some good YouTube content, and Viking Mac was like, LOL, hold my beer. I mean, God, Viking Mac, that wasn't very cash money of you. Sometimes people just need a high five in the face with a chair, and he's one of those people. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video at my expense. I'm sure I will be back in the future with a follow-up video because, you know, hate comments are a recurring thing if you are on the internet. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this makeup look too. I thought it was pretty fly. Please give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was funny and you enjoyed the makeup look. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching.